Kairos.
Just speak up. That's how you gotta do.
Iron.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like I've got one in. It's a three-way tie.
6.
6.
2.
1. 5. Rats, I can't do a thing.
1. 2.
Dang.
4.
Of course, what is it but like
Alright, this one.
2.
2.
Get a 10. Don't get a 6. Don't get a 6. Don't get a 6. 5. Got a 5. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 is his turn.
the 4.
2. Now. Oh, Kate's turn. 2. Right here.
3. Where in the world am I? Catching up to you, Kate.
Why do you think I keep moving the back one the farthest ahead? I'm running.
Got a 3. Alright.
You're
1, 2. No, she did, right?
Yeah, it was right there. 4.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
1.
Oh. Yeah. I keep thinking I'm green. For some reason.
1. Bomber. 2.
Can't do that one.
Right about there.
4.
Oh.
Now I'm in trouble.
Oh, yes, you are. 6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Away I go. And away I go. 4. 3, 4.
4. So I'm trying to move this board closer so I can see what I'm doing.
2, 3, 4. Oh, no.
2. 1, 2. 4.
6. Yeah. 5. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Kate's turn.
5. 1.
Hang on, I'm looking. Zero,
If you did, what color are you? Green or blue?
green.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could take out
Forest,
horses.
but then I'll have him after me too, so. You make me more nervous than he does. At the moment.
6. Okay, complicate. Oh, I kind of can't. 1. Alright, forces turn.
Launch the craft. 5. Full speed ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ha! Now I gotcha.
Okay, turn.
Now I got him. 1. We're close. We're close. Too close.
2, 1, 2, and now I'm in 6 now. And you would have got me too.
1. Six. Oh. There we go.
Bounce again.
1.
1.
Get that guy moving.
6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Hey! Victoria! Now I'm fire on you! 1! Bam!
Oh!
Take that! Take that, you brat! That'll teach you to get in front of me. Just remember, you two are out with fire.
I don't know, I think this is the scariest game I've played.
6.
Pieces are gonna go flying.
4.
That was 5, right? Right there.
No, 6.
That was 4 right there.
Yeah, 4, 6. Right there. 6 is right behind the other green one. Yep. Go again. 1.
3.
Can't do nothing.
I'm gonna stop that Morgan and start it over.
1.